Welcome to Weekly Market Wrap-Up. Let's look at what happened this week. Hi, I'm Chakravarti and here is a quick weekly wrap-up by primewealthfinserv. Stay till the end to know the market outlook 2025 and major financial events coming up next week. So, let's break it down. Firstly, let's look at the market overview. The Nifty tried to move out of its 3-day range today, touching 23,938, but it could not hold on and slipped back. It ended the day with a small 0.27% gain. Nothing exciting, but no losses either. It feels like market is just waiting for the year to wrap up. Now, let's look at what other indices did. Nifty Next 50. This index dropped 0.88% and it's close to its lowest point in 4 days. If it falls below 5-day low, we might see more downside here. Nifty mid and small cap indices. Not much movement here. Nifty mid caps were up just 0.12% and small caps gained 0.27%. Both are stuck in the same range they have been for days. Nifty Bank. No surprises here. It stayed flat with 0.27% and did not break out in any direction. CNX 500 advances and declines were almost equal, with 251 stocks up and 242 stocks down. A very quiet day overall. Let's look at heat map insights. The Nifty heat map shows a mixed picture. A few stocks gained while others pulled the market down. The Nifty Next 50 was mostly in red with only a handful of stocks in green. Overall, the market lacked any clear momentum. Now, sectorial trends. Some sectors stood out though, like pharma. This was the star of the week. Pharma stocks are up 5.4% for the month and have been among the best performers over the past year. Investors seems to be favoring defensive plays. Autos are making a slow comeback. They gained 1% today and 2.3% for the week. While they were down 1.8% for the month, they have jumped impressive 26.7% over the past year. Other sectors, public enterprises, metals and commodities had a rough week. It seems like the market is shifting towards safer and defensive bets. Now, story of the week, 2024 recap and 2025 financial outlook. As we close 2024, let's break down how investments perform and what to expect in 2025 across key asset classes. Firstly, stocks. In 2024, equities grew 9%, a sharp slowdown from last year's 20%. Global issues like inflation and geopolitical tensions made markets volatile, but India's infrastructure focus provided some balance. For 2025, the long-term outlook remains strong, driven by India's economic growth. Diversified equity funds and hybrid options like balanced advantage funds could offer stability with growth. Bonds were a star in 2024, with short duration bonds growing at 7.5%. Government bonds offered steady yields of around 6.8 to 7%, and corporate bonds did slightly better at 7 to 8%. These are likely to remain stable in 2025, continuing to attract conservative investors. Corporate bonds, especially from AAA rated companies, may outperform government bonds slightly. Let's look at gold. Gold prices surged 26% in 2024, touching rupees 80,000 per 10 grams. As investors turned into a hedge against inflation, however, demand fell due to high prices. In 2025, gold may remain a dependable choice for wealth protection, but price sensitivity could keep demand subdued. Real estate slowed down to 4.1% growth in 2024 due to high loan rates and inflation pressure. This cautious trend may continue in 2025 with steady but subdued growth expected. Property investments would be better suited for long-term goals rather than quick gains. Fixed deposits. FDs gave a safe returns of 6 to 7% in 2024 but struggled to beat inflation. This trend may persist in 2025, making FDs a good choice for risk-averse investors but less attractive for wealth creation. Here is what's coming up next week on your screen. And finally, what's your plan as we step into the new year? Share your thoughts in the comments. See you next week and happy investing. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such updates. Thank you.